Hello and welcome to the Sahel community. This is the topology we had during the last video, and the configuration has been saved and nothing has been changed anymore. PC0 were able to ping PC1 and PC3 were able to ping PC4, but PC0 were not able to ping PC3 because they are in different VLAN, like in different room with no doors in between. So we can double check that in terms of saying here PC1, PC0, just ping PC3, you see here, it is not successful. So our goal in this video is to make PC0 ping PC3. How to reach that goal? To reach that goal, we need a layer 3 device. For this purpose, we will go for the router as our layer 3 device. I will take port 23 and connect like this. I will take a second cable, port 24, and connect like this. Why am I taking two cables? Because I have here two VLANs, VLAN 30 and VLAN 50. So let me make a screenshot of this and explain that to you right here. I make a screenshot and I can show you what I mean. PC0 is not able to ping PC3 when we don't have the router because the communication come up to the switch and the switch doesn't know to whom to send the package. Now, configuring the router allows us that the communication go like this and go over port 23. Port 23 will be assigned to VLAN 50. The port 23 will be assigned to VLAN 50, and we'll configure an IP address here that should be the gateway for the PC. And here on the second port, the IP address, the 10.10.1.254, should be the gateway for PC3. And the package, when the packet come here, the router had two doors. The doors to enable the communication to go like this over PC3 and vice versa and back. And the communication will be made possible. Look at the path. That's the path. So let us configure exactly that right now. I'm going to open the switch and put it right there. Let's open the router and put it right there. Where is the exactly there? And I will just try to reduce this right there like that. Okay, let's start with the router. Let's start directly with the router. I will say no, and I'll say enable, and the switch is there. Show IP interface brief. I will say CompT. I will go for int range gigabit. Tap to complete the command 00 minus 1. No shot. And you see the port is coming up. I will go for interface gigabit 0 gigabit. Gig 000 IP address 192.168.1.254 255.255.255.0 IP, no IP proxy app, no IP redirect. He doesn't know IP redirect. Okay, and I will go for interface 1 and configure the IP address 10.10.1.254 255.0.0.0. No IP proxy app no shot. Did I make also no shot for the interface gigabit 00? No, I don't see the no shot somewhere there. Copy and paste it right there. And paste no shot. Okay. Do show IP interface brief, and I no more to do because we are already in the enable mode. Show IP interface brief to show the IP address configure, and we go to the switch right there. We say interface fast Ethernet 023 is switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 50. We go to the interface 24, switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 30. Do show interface status. Connected. Show VLAN brief. Okay. Now, the ping should now be successful, isn't it? So let's go to the PC and test it. It will not be successful, and I hope you think a little bit why. It isn't successful because we still have to. You see here, it's not successful. Where is the programmability? Can I close this? I can close that and open here. It's not successful because the gateway is not configured here. 192.168.1.254. We say okay, and then we go. What am I doing right there? We close. We continue our thing here, and we should go to the PC3 and make the same thing there with its corresponding gateway. PC3, which is 10.10.1.254. So, what's the ping status? If the ping is not successful, will mean that we have a misconfiguration somewhere. Let me check the IP config. We should see that the gateway is there. 10.10.1.254. And here, what is the IP config? IP config. The gateway is not there. We have a problem here. It's not configured. You can see here. This is how we make troubleshooting. So let's go there again and say, where's the gateway? So 192.168.1.254. Okay, that was our gateway. Let's close it completely. And it's not closing. Let's close it completely and come back again and see if everything is all right now or not. IP config is the gateway there, the gateway is there. So look at this. If the thing is still not successful, then we should be, you see, look at that. The ping is successful, meaning we can ping from PC0 to PC3, from there to there. In order for PC1 to ping PC4 or PC0 to ping PC4, we should go to PC1 and assign the gateway as well, and PC4 and assign the gateway as well. And the ping is there. The reachability will be established. You now are aware of the path that our traffic is taking. Our traffic is going over the switch to the router and back to the switch to the PC and vice versa. This was the routing, the VLAN routing that I wanted to show you in this video. And this is the so-called routing on a stick. Routing on a stick. We are going to the same device and back and forth. So it's routing on the stick, on the router. But this is done with more physical connectivity. The so-called routing on the stick will be here with one cable. This is what we'll see in the next video. All right? Keep tuned. Bye-bye.